Hello kids, welcome to my channel Fun Tale Kids.
One red frog jumps in the sun, splashing around and having fun. Ribbit, ribbit, hear him say, let's jump and play all day. Blue frogs leap so high, reaching up into the sky. They do a dance and spin around, then land softly on the ground. Three green frogs hop on a log, croaking loud in morning fog. Ribbit, ribbit, we're so cool, bouncing near the lily pool. Yellow frogs with spots so bright, glowing in the morning light. They clap their hands and tap their toes, wiggling where the water flows. Five pink frogs in a row, hop so fast and then move slow. They count and laugh, they clap and cheer. We love to jump and sing right here. La 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 la. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4,